In order to go ahead and start uploading out your files in Terabox, you need to go around onto the My Cloud section right here. So now, in order to upload out a file on the root folder itself, all you need to do is click on Upload. That is, hover around in Upload, and you can see that Upload File or Folder is an option. So if I were to go around and click on Upload File right here, it opens up the Explorer window just like this, as you can see, and then you can navigate to the folder where you have your files that you want to upload, select out the file. In my case, I'm selecting a picture file, as you can see, and click on Open to go ahead and upload it out right here. And you can see the upload progress over here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can also go around over here, click on Upload itself, and simply select out a folder right here or a file and click on Open right here just like this as well. And then you can go ahead and upload out the file in that particular folder. Apart from that, you can also go around over here in Upload. Let's click on Upload Folder now. And this gives you an option to select out a folder as necessary. And if you were to click on Upload, it tells you that you are uploading 23 files to the site. So I'm sure, so I'm just going to click on Upload, and then it lists out all of the files that we have in the particular folder, as you can see right here, and then uploads it out in files. And if I were to go around over here and click on it, then you'll be able to see the files right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and upload out the files to Terabox as necessary, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.